Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright, so let's get right into today's question. It's on statistics, and under that we have, this question is on what measure of what dispersion. Because I can see the question says we should calculate what the mean deviation of the set of numbers. Alright. So when we say mean deviation, what do we mean? By formula, our mean deviation, let's call it MD, is equal to what? Sigma, which is summation of what? We have the sets of values, you can call as X, minus their mean, okay, divided by what? N. So N is usually what? Their frequency. So we have that the number of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our N is 6. What about our mean? Okay, this is our what? Mean. Okay, for the mean, we are going to sum all the numbers and divide it by N. So let's first of all calculate our mean value. So we have 7 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9 plus 7 and plus 8 divided by what? N, which is what? 6. Okay, so let's add up the numbers. 7 plus 3 is what? 10 plus, okay, we have this is 14. Okay, 9 plus 7 is what? 16. And we have plus 8 divided by what? 6. So our mean is going to be what? We have, okay, this is 10. 14 plus 16 is what? 14 plus 16 is going to give us 30. Okay, so we have that. So we've added these two as 30. Okay, so 10 plus 30 is what? We have 40 plus 8 divided by 6. So this is going to give us 48 divided by 6. Now 6 divided 48 is going to give us how many times? It is going to give us what? 8 times. So our mean value is what? 8. Now that we've gotten the mean, we can now work on what? The mean deviation. Alright? So let's solve the mean deviation for each of the what numbers. Alright, so we have for each number x minus what? The mean. Okay? So that's going to give us for the first number, we are going to have what? We are going to have 7 minus what? The mean, which is what? 8. The next number we have 3 minus 8. We have 14 minus 8. We have 9 minus 8. We have 7 minus 8. And we have 8 minus 8. Okay? So let's see what that gives us. 7 minus 8 is what? Minus 1. 3 minus 8 is what? Minus 5. 14 minus 8 is going to give us what? 6. 9 minus 8 is what? 1. 7 minus 8 is like this, minus 1. And 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Now that we are done with this process, we are going to insert these lines, okay? And see what that gives us. Now inside these lines, we are going to also do it here. So for this, okay, if we work on this, we are going to get what? 1, okay. The idea is when you put these signs, you want to what? Change every negative to what? Positive. So this is going to be what? Plus 1. For this, we are going to get what? Plus 5, which is 5. For 6, it still remains what? 6. For 1, it still remains 1. For minus 1 again, it is going to be what? It's going to be 1. And finally for 0, it's still what? 0. Now that we've gotten this what set of values, now we can now do their sum. Okay. So let's do their sum. So their sum means, okay, we have summation. So it means we are going to add 1, okay, plus what? 5, plus what? Plus 6, plus 1, plus 1, and plus 1, 0. So let's see what the total is going to give us. Okay. So 1 plus 5 is what? 6. This is going to give us 6. Okay, 6 plus 1 is going to give us what? 7. 1 plus 0 is going to give us 1. Okay, so now we are still going to add further. So 6 plus 7 is going to give us 13. So 13 plus 1 is going to give us what? 14. Okay, so now that we have 14, okay, so our mean deviation in this problem is going to be, we have all days as what? 14. So I have 14 divided by our n is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but 14 divided by 6, we can reduce it by 2. So 2 can go into this is what? 3 times 2 can go into this is 7. All right. So now that we have 7 over 3, okay, so now that we've gotten our what? Mean deviation as 7 over 3, our MD, which is mean deviation, is what? 7 over 3. But this is what an improper fraction. We can change it to mixed fraction. So how many 3 whole numbers do we have in what? 7? We have is 2 whole number, meaning that 1 over what? 3. This can also be written as 2 point. Now 1 over 3 is recurring decimal, which is 0.333. So either this or this gives you the mean deviation to this what? Simple what? Problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and do it to share this video out with someone that it may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.